Are you unable to like videos on TikTok using your iPhone? This usually happens due to restrictions on your account, poor internet connection, or TikTok detecting suspicious activity. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok not letting you like videos issues on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check TikTok like limit. TikTok has a like limit of 500 likes per day. If you exceed this limit, you'll not be able to do it again. So, what you need to do now is open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap the heart icon in the middle on the right. Now tap on a video and then uncheck the heart. In this way, keep unchecking videos one after the other. After doing this, try to like a new video. Solution 2. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 3. Offload the TikTok app. Open up the settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your TikTok like not working issue is solved now. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.